Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from your Poppo life app. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to click on points. So as you can see, I have 1,118.722 points. Okay, so you click on it and it brings you here. Now here you can see withdraw now, exchange points for coins, or you transfer. I will explain these terms so that we know what to do. So withdraw means you want to withdraw to yourself. Exchange points for coins means you want to rather than withdraw the money as cash, the points to your bank or as cash, you want to exchange it for points, so that for coins so that you can actually use the coins to play more games. Okay, so it depends on you if that's the option you want, but literally I usually advise people to withdraw their money. So let's go and withdraw. Now for transfer means you want to transfer this amount to another account on Poppo. Okay, so that's what transfer is all about. So all you need to do is write the receiver's ID and transfer the amount of points you want to transfer. So that's that for that. Let's go back. So here I'm going to click on withdraw now. Okay, so when you click on withdraw now, you can see the amount of dollars. Okay, so here I have 111.87 dollars. Okay, so you need to choose the particular payment method you want. Okay, so let's see. I'm not going to click on withdraw now. Let me click on this because I've already imputed my payment method, and here you can see we have USDT TRC20, we have Binance BEP20, we have Nigerian bank transfer, we have ePay, we have OPay, we have PalmPay, and we have Paga. Okay, so now whatever method you want to use depends on you and serves different purposes. For example, PalmPay, OPay, bank transfer automatically goes to your local bank. Okay, your Nigerian local bank if you are a Nigerian. Okay, but if you are from other African countries or other countries, it will be your local bank in your country of residence that will be showing. Okay, so now that's being said, ePay is good, but the charges is a bit high. That is why I would not recommend you use ePay. But for those who want to use ePay, it means you just impute your ePay email address. Okay, that's all. You put the email address of your ePay. So that's being said, now let me explain TRC20 and Binance BEP20. Now TRC20, that's USDT TRC20. That is one of the ways people withdraw money online. Okay, but usually I don't advise using TRC20. Okay, because the network transfer fee for TRC20 is also a little bit high, but it's still better than your Nigerian bank. Now coming to BEP20, Binance is the best. Yeah, Binance BEP20 network is the best because the transfer fee is always lower. So I'll click on it. For some of you that probably have not gotten your address, how to copy your address from Binance BEP20. So all you need to do, you go to your Binance app. I'll click on my Binance. Now when you get to your Binance, because you want to add funds. Okay, I have a small dollar here. Okay, so you click on assets. Look down on your right hand side, you see assets. Okay, So when you see assets, then you click on add funds. You click on add funds. Now next thing, you click on on-chain deposits. Okay, on-chain deposits, you click on it. Then you select the USDT. Okay, now after selecting USDT, don't forget, let me go back again. From here, click on add funds. You know why you are clicking on add funds? Because you want to copy the address of your Binance. Okay, the wallet address of your BEP20 on Binance, you want to copy it. You click on chain deposit, you click on USDT, then you click on BSC, that's BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Okay, this first one, you click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, you can see this is the wallet address, so you copy it. Okay, you copy it, then you go back to Poppo Life. So now when you come here, all you need to do is click on Binance BEP20, then click on view. You put your security password. Okay, you input your security password, it will bring you here. Then I've already copied and pasted my Binance address. So for some of you that have not imputed your Binance BEP20 address, so all you need to do is just to paste whatever address you have copied from your Binance. Make sure it is Binance BEP20 USDT BEP20. You understand? Make sure it is BEP20. Now that BEP20 wallet address, you paste it here. After pasting it here, next thing you say submit. Okay, so now after submitting it, next thing I'm gonna do is just to click on withdraw. Okay, withdraw. So now it's going to ask me how much do I want to withdraw from this amount. As you can see, I have $111.87. So I'm going to withdraw only 111. Okay, no, 110, because I'm an agent on the app, so agents are not permitted to withdraw everything. Yes, but let me just try and pretend as if I want to withdraw everything. You will see that they will not allow me to withdraw everything. Okay, it has to be in multiples of 10, integral of 10. You can see, please enter an integral multiple of 10. It has to be multiple of 10. So now I'll just put $110. Then I'll say submit. You can see withdraw amount $110. Okay, so I'll just say confirm. Then they will ask me for my security password, which I'm going to input. Boom, it's as simple as ABC. So I have successfully withdrawn. So let's go back and check if you can see the money is no longer here. So it's going right into my Binance. Okay, so if you see now, my points have changed. Okay, because I've already withdrawn my money. Okay, so they are going to send you a notification. So click on notification and check arrival notice. Okay, you check arrival notice. So these are, you can see what I've been withdrawing. You can see the amounts I've been withdrawing. So it all depends on you. Okay, what you really want. Okay, so now I have withdrawn $110, and the service fee is just 16,500. So let's go to my Binance to see if the money is in my Binance. You know, one good thing about the Poppo app is that when you withdraw your funds, it doesn't take time. Once you withdraw, you get your money straight away. They don't delay, okay? They don't delay on this app. So let's go to Binance, friends. Okay, so this is my Binance. You know, before I withdrew my money from the Poppo app, I had about $8.85 cents, right? Okay, so let's see if my 110, okay, this was what I had before. You can see they just notified me that I have an incoming deposit of $110. Okay, so let me refresh. So guys, you can see I have my exact amount here, $118.85. So guys, you can see it's as simple as ABC. So this is what I have in my Binance. So now I'm going to show you in my next tutorial how to transfer this amount of money. You know, on Binance there is nothing like P2P. For some countries are restricted. For example, in Nigeria is one of the countries restricted from the P2P market on Binance. Okay, so now with these funds in my account on Binance, how do I transfer these funds to my local bank? Okay, so watch out for my video. I'm going to show you how I'm going to transfer these funds in a way that the transfer fee will be so little, so minimal, so little. You understand? So I'm going to show you in my next video how to transfer these funds to my Bybit account, and from my Bybit I will now transfer to my local bank. So stay tuned. See you in my next video. It's bye for now.